stars will shine tonight. Every touch a story true, whispers of the horizon. I'm lost within you.
Golden skies stretch far and wide. Every step with you I glide.
In your arms the world feels new, horizon of our love so true.
No need to rush, just you and me. Love unfolds naturally. Walk with me towards the sun, where our hearts beat as one. Every touch a story true, horizon of our love. I'm lost in you. Winds may blow, the seas may rise, but your love is my paradise.
Every glance a gentle flame. Here with you my heart remains.
No need to rush, just you and me. I'm lost in you. Evening winds, they gently sway. Every glance lights up my day. Through the nights our love will bloom. seems to glow. In your arms I feel alive. Whispers of the tide arrive.
No need to rush, just hold me near.
Love will guide us,
Calm and clear.
listen to the tide tonight, where our hearts and dreams take flight.
Every touch a story true.
Whispers of the tide, I'm lost in you. Moonlight dances on the sea. Every glance belongs to me. Through the night our love will shine, guiding hearts that intertwine. No need to rush, just hold me near. Love will guide us, calm and clear. Listen to the tide tonight, where our hearts and dreams take flight. Every touch a story true. Whispers of the tide, I'm lost in you. Stars above reflect the sea.
Guiding love for you and me.
Love remains a gentle stream, flowing slow like shared dreams.
Listen to the tide tonight, where our hearts and dreams take flight. Every touch a story true.
Whispers of the tide, I'm lost in you. Listen to the tide tonight, where our hearts and dreams take flight.
Every touch a story true.
Whispers of the tide,
leading where the soft winds blow.
No need to rush, just hold me tight. Love will shine through every night. Follow lanterns in the night, where our hearts and dreams take flight. Every touch, a story true. Lanterns in the night, I'm lost in you. Stars above light up our way, whispered dreams where hearts will stay. Love remains serene and free, flowing slow, just you and me. Follow lanterns in the night, where our hearts and dreams take flight. Every touch, a story true. Lanterns in the night, I'm lost in you. Footprints fading in the sand. Every step we take, hand in hand.
Golden light upon your face,
Shorelines of our dreams embrace. No need to rush,
let hearts remain.
love will guide through joy and pain. Walk with me along the shore, where our hearts will soar once more. lighting paths where hearts will stay.
Love remains a gentle stream, flowing slow like shared dreams.
Walk with me along the shore, where our hearts will soar once more. Every touch a story true, shorelines of our dreams. I'm lost with you. Walk with me along touch my face, carry whispers of your grace.
Every laugh a tender flame, breeze of your embrace remain.
No need
To rush, we're meant to stay.
love will guide us all the way. Hold me close, feel the breeze tonight, where our hearts and dreams unite. Every touch a story true, breeze of your embrace, I'm lost in you. Evening falls, the sky turns gold. Every moment love unfolds.
Through the night we'll find our way.
Here with you, I want to stay. No need to rush, we're meant to stay. Love will guide us all the way. Hold me close, feel the breeze tonight, where our hearts and dreams unite. Every touch a story true, breeze of your embrace, I'm lost in you.
Moonlight glows across the sea,
Whispering your heart to me,
love remains a flowing stream.
soft and slow, like shared dreams. Hold me close, feel the breeze tonight, where our hearts and dreams unite. Every touch a story true, breeze of your embrace, I'm lost in you. Memories drift upon the tide. Every laugh I keep inside. Golden moments, soft and true. Waves of yesterday with you. No need to hurry, let it be. Time will flow so naturally.
Ride the waves of yesterday, where our hearts and dreams will stay. Every touch a story new, waves of yesterday, I'm lost with you.